Hello! Welcome! I'm so happy you are here. You are listening to English for Beginners podcast. My name is Lovely. Today, we talk about hard days. We all have hard days, right? Sometimes you feel sad. Sometimes you feel worried. This is normal. Everyone feels this way. So, what can we do? How can we feel calm again? Let's learn together. It's simple, I promise. First idea, just breathe. Yes, just breathe. It is very simple. When you are worried, your body is worried too. Your heart beats fast. So stop. Stop for one moment. Now, breathe in slowly. 1, 2, then breathe out slowly. 1, 2. Good. Do this again. Breathe in and out. Feel better? This tells your body you are okay. Breathing is a super tool. It is simple but very powerful. Second idea, find one small thing. When your mind is very busy, find one small thing. Just one. Look at your hand. Look at a cup. Listen to one song. Drink some water. Is the water cold? Is it warm? Think only about the water. This helps your busy mind. It helps your mind rest. A quiet mind is a calm mind. Third idea, be your friend. This is important. On hard days, are you kind to yourself? Maybe you think, I am not good. But stop. That is not true. You are strong. Talk to yourself like a friend. Say, this is hard, but I am okay. Or, I can do this. These small words are powerful. They give you strength. So, be kind to yourself. Be your own friend. Fourth idea, feelings change. Remember, feelings are like the weather. Some days are sunny, some days are rainy. Does rain last forever? No, the sun comes again. Your sad feelings are like rain. They will not last forever. They are temporary. They will change. You will feel better soon. Knowing this helps you feel calm. Let's remember our ideas. Can you remember with me? 1. Breathe slowly. 2. Find one small thing. 3. Be kind to yourself. 4. Remember, feelings change. Life can be hard, but you are strong. You have calm inside you. You just need to find it. Thank you for listening. Thank you for your time. This is Lovely. I believe in you. Be kind to yourself today. Goodbye.